a multi-dimensional animal. And
Hey guys, this is Cheta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's good to have you guys today, and I'm here with my homie Wizkid. And welcome, bro. It's good to have you here.
man, it's lovely being here, man. Having your presence, man. Cheta, the big energy.
Bruh, come on, man. You can't be saying big dick on screen, bro. We got kids watching.
Big for
psych. Hey, so it's my guys out there who haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel. If you have, thanks for subscribing. But if you haven't, please do subscribe. Join us. Please. It's like you
catch up,
or what shall we call it?
Catch up. Before it gets too high, you can't catch up.
Catch up, my bro. Catch up, my nigga. Catch up. Yeah. So today on this channel, what we'll be doing today, we'll be asking questions. So guys, today's gonna be Q and A with Cheta. Fun questions and answers. My bro, hope you're ready for questions. Like questions we see with you on. First of all, who say you know the relationship? Like I said earlier, you do relationship.
The only relationship I do now is myself.
Give your mate a good old rub. Yeah, boy, out, man. Yeah, boy.
You get pride. You never even do relationship with God. You just did it yourself. I don't think you survive.
God dey inside me now. Say you know.
God dey inside of us.
Yes, now I like that.
I say you dey. God dey inside of us. You all dey need me.
You dey start like say
you don't start TikTok and you say God dey inside me and you don't know. Like say God no dey inside me too. Why you no talk say God dey inside me?
I don't want to go too deep. Now your show we dey.
My bro.
Maybe say I dey think about your show.
You don't know, bro.
You don't know.
After. Back on Jay-Z shit.
Yeah. You talk.
Fuck. Crazy. Yeah, so first question, my bro. Wizkid or davido? Your preference, my bro. Wizkid or davido? Who are you fucking with? Are you with what do they call those guys?
Wizkid.
I use Wizkid.
No, I'm not one of those FC shit though. I just love good music, and I fuck with the two artists like. But there's always a but. But this but is not positive. Like Wizkid, yeah, definitely Wizkid, Starboy.
Wizkid, yeah. I actually expected that would be against each other on our preference about both of them. I wish the person and we prefer they like Missionary.
No, you don't.
Everybody just end down when it's popular because all these people are on this stage every day. You know, guy like this. If you just wind them like it's 40. You know when you say they carry it. I wish you nah, pretty good.
I like that. But
I love both of them. I love both of them.
You're not supposed to get that level now.
But it's always fun to watch
yeah.
people that take it so
serious.
Serious. People watch them.
I stand for this artist. Like I will go out now.
Like
Great,
bro. On to the next.
Mother.
Is it the good or shall you?
Definitely green.
Every day.
But for how long do my bro on the green?
Like, do you mean party or like how long have I been?
Yes, now that's I talk. How party?
Make your
How party take relate with how long? I don't know. Maybe as in the way we take interpret that question. I don't understand.
Like joint party. Joint party or how long you don't need to green.
How long you don't need to green?
Yeah. So now maybe just come like make your question.
But if you come to say joint party, now you don't make us seem like you're born into this. You're born for this.
Well,
We are born to do this.
We did part of nature now. You guys is going too deep.
I'm just fucking with you, man.
But I say the deep as you now.
We are cinema or Netflix and chill.
Oh my god.
Straight up, oh my god. What if you make you shout, oh my god? That oh my god, you shouted it like, you know, just like sexually. You know? You like that oh my god, you don't select. This is the one.
You did relationship.
I did the relationship, my bro. I don't think that I see I did relationship with God.
Yeah,
No, you can't ask me. I know the relationship.
Okay, now. But for me, definitely Netflix and chill. Reason to me, I don't be outside person, like I just stay inside. And so kind of times you go outside, you see people see the way they handle themselves.
Now my ex will actually talk about this. Although she always make noise those times say, let's go to the cinema, let's go to the cinema. But no, we don't actually sit down one time like that, analyze and say, she knows you with this cinema like this. You say, if you start moving like you just stand a good piece like good piece like 2 times, 3 times. Here then go pause movie for you. You watch all those superhero movies. You don't want to rewind, watch one part again. I go watch Spider-Man and just once. Are you whining me?
I'm going for dates, like you want to meet up, shit like that, date another shit, like. But I don't think so. Relationship is definitely not a relationship myself.
Oh no, bro, relationship or not, Netflix and chill.
I don't go for Netflix and chill now. Okay.
Netflix and chill.
Netflix and chill, steady. I like the solitude. Where I keep myself.
Yeah.
Like.
Comfortability. On to the next one, my bro.
Do you mind?
Your preference, dogs or cats?
Big dog lover.
Big dog lover. What's in your opinion about cats? How you think see cats?
I see cat like a multi-dimensional animal, and
I hear you might be multi-dimensional because you just draw back, honestly.
yes now, like there be the animal if you see from different dimensions, not that like 3 layers of reality. So
You never go there and they actually you see a talk. But they wait for you, you still explain it, but they hear you.
okay, like they feel see waiting the woman face, don't you see?
何お前はもう死んでいる。
Like spiritual, if you go spiritual. Yeah, I didn't give you definition. It's like, well, now you made the ancient Egyptians they be big fan of cats because they say cats they chase away evil spirit and with bad energy and all this shit.
Wait, you say cats now?
Same with snake also.
Snake they chase evil spirit.
Same with snake, like
Chase-
snake.
That
slave will chase you.
Multi-dimensional
Who you
animal.
say Anubis be? You sabi Anubis?
Anubis.
Yes.
Yes, now look the one god like this for Egypt. I think so.
What's in me?
I don't know. Now it's
You don't say Anubis in me before. We will find out Anubis in me. Come online. I want me to see him. Just go me just check Anubis. So we just see him. I want to show you one irony like this.
Live gay on the very.
I want to show you one irony like this.
Potato, yeah.
Aji.
Anubis is an Egyptian god now.
You don't check in image.
Yes, now. Anubis now. Get cats for it. This is this.
I want to show camera.
You see, Amira?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see what that looks like. If I tell you all this while, I've been saying this as a dog.
As a dog?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. What like that? Nah, dog get.
You didn't see how
And I don't get.
Now, human being, but animal faces. Most of them, they get like different animal faces. Most of them.
no confirm within whether na dog get you don't confirm na dog get.
I don't know, I just stop waiting in my mind.
Ask within and be head be. And there the irony for make sense if you say dog.
The head. Na chaka, make I go check.
Jack and with dog family.
Make I check am. Chaka, I don't know. Na medium size can it. Na wolf like.
Wolf.
I play joke.
Yeah.
So back to what we were saying, right, bro. Cats. Since the time that I don't watch Garfield, I swear, if you use rubbish eye, as in using cats.
Which movie that?
Garfield, no.
Garfield.
Yeah.
I never watched
You know
it.
Garfield?
No,
That cat, no.
I never watched
There
it.
was Garfield 1, Garfield
I
2.
never watched anyone.
I heard you the first 3, I never watched it. On to the next, my bro. Your preference. Android or iOS?
Android. Since God never blessed me, make I try iOS.
So, but
Android. I don't feel like we tell about try now.
oh, you never use iOS?
Yes, now.
That's based on your pocket,
Yes,
yes.
now.
And why you choose
So,
that?
you know, you get my. Nah, I think at least. I give you.
Is it on your pocket or your choice? Because shit, the money we want is buy some. When money we want is buy Samsung, if you don't buy iOS, no be your pocket at the end of the day. Just your choice.
I'm telling you, man, bro, because you need, now Samsung you use, so it's the thing.
Now you dey ask yourself question.
No.
Nigeria people their problem.
No, hey!
You know, say to say big it say you never use them based on big it say you never use them based on say I be like you know we choose iOS at all based on say you never use them. So now that's based on him not buying the iOS. Why has he not used it? It's because he has not bought it.
I don't use them and I feel buy them, but I don't want peace the iPhone community.
Because if you have chosen to buy
You
it,
don't use them.
I never use them.
What are you saying? But you said now, like a few seconds ago, I don't use them, I never buy them. I don't use them, I don't buy them.
She make you go check your thing, make you buy them.
Because I'm trying to reason that.
I need to be
What you talking
Which
about?
I talk with that.
Eh,
You want me to repeat myself?
No, wait.
And then answer my question and
Wait.
finish myself.
So, no beyond to say if you afford them, and you can now if you afford them.
I don't answer your question now. See, they can't go back.
I don't carry you go back. I'm still on the same.
No big deal.
And,
But I love definitely Android. But I don't want to try iPhone based on the hype we just did there. So Android for life, forget that. I feel buy iPhone, definitely. That will be
if you ban data,
definitely now. Say I feel buy and definitely 100.
may I make this question easier for you?
Anyway,
iPhone 14 Pro Max, Samsung S23 Ultra Note.
Samsung any day.
So why you come and talk and say earlier, say money never did man?
Don't talk say money never did man.
Talk say God bless you.
If God bless you, you know the kind of blessing wey God bless me. Say God bless me na always based on finance because he be Nigerian man. Slow down now.
Okay, wait, say God won't bless you with one, wey you go use wrong.
Why you
Wetin dey ask God?
why you go to wrong plan? You
Because
say
I
you
enter-
say back to money.
No, you want make God bless you in a way you touch person's soul. The person go just talk say, bread, let me dash you there. That kind of thing. I be now you the reason that, or you don't know say that they buy am. Yeah. You think say na free? They don't be that people.
Well, I pray to God, may God bless me with new eyesight. Fresh like a baby boy.
she will
I don't know which one be your problem. My people. See what now.
I want to know whether I will still be on the same question because this way is not considering God bless you with, I don't know. I mean, how many years in
No,
eyesight?
you go deep now. Say, probably my own question. I mean, God bless me with something like going to go wrong or make money. But at the time, say my own prayer, I don't think related to money. Say definitely, so many things God will bless me when they out of money. Abi.
But this thing we talk related to iOS from the start, from the onset.
They may not divert you off now. So don't answer the question.
For my
Divert you off.
question where I ask you, they divert me off. God says we no get security for it.
Today they go move me
No,
and
then we want
come in peace.
there's no room for peace, my bro. Violence always. Do you not know this?
You can't worry you go on like this.
Premier League or La Liga, my bro.
I don't like football job. I'm she me, I like you much, I put on.
Ah, no, yes.
I am somewhere.
Igbo,
Epo, must obey.
compared to people who watch match.
What do? They fight. That good.
Bagiyama.
Bakiyama. Now why you don't build like them? Me just dey go around, just dey beat everybody.
Mohammed, how are you doing?
Which sport you gon dey into?
Tennis.
Yes.
I play on tennis now. I play short tennis safe. I jog.
I do medium tennis.
You jogging as sport. You don't know wait, people dey actually jog
Yes now.
as sport.
Yes now.
For marathon, you go dey jog now.
Yes now.
You know dey run. Man,
Wow. People dey run at some point for the marathon now.
Yes now.
of course, but you know if you run trot, you go
Yeah,
jog.
so
Go stop, yeah.
so the
Jogging is the marathon.
Hmm.
Yeah, true.
We will call
So
this part
wait to
marathon party.
how you go tell me say you no dey watch ball? You no like Ronaldo, you no like Messi. You know like
Messi or
you know like
Ronaldo.
dribbling, like passing and shooting. You know, but you play game.
And yeah, I'm a big fan of game.
They play
Yeah,
game.
play, yeah.
You play football rather. So.
You like, yes, definitely. But I don't think I play ball. Don't go like 5 years now.
Missionary.
I play midfield now. Center midfield. Now midfield I play sharp. Center midfield. I just play midfield sharp. But I used to play left and right.
I know you want ball. You don't like to watch ball, but you play and you play game.
I play this now. You never seen him before?
I don't see them now. Today. No, for years.
Welcome. Let's see him do that.
They're supposed to flog you. God.
So make I like anything wey you like now.
No vex, no vex. Like whatever you want to like, do watch ball. Me and your wife, they watch. What's that they call it? Uzi or.
What we say we don't get wife for this life now?
Hey, my bro. On to the next one.
Don't dey run for me o.
No, no, I don't run. I did it now, bro. I did it.
Get that deep.
Next, my bro. Doggy or Missionary?
Doggy or missionary? Dog. Mission. And you get
Dog mission.
doggy or missionary. And you get your question and tell you.
Really, nigga?
You don't get how you talk.
Yeah. Make me understand.
Would you rather sell dogs or go to church?
The fuck, man? How do you cope with that?
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, so dogs are good. After every series, I'd love to pay my title.
So they go to church.
right? So you just simple, just like that.
Oh no, God, no.
Take the problem made from the dogs to your church.
And after selling this bitch there.
Yeah, definitely.
So that means from doggy you go to the missionary. But that's if.
Like that.
I'd rather go from missionary to doggy.
I'd like to know if we are all still on the same page here. Because
What page?
from doggy, then to missionary. So you prefer both.
And you have to
But
get
which
down.
one you prefer? Go. Why you say on I know if you pick one thing, and I want to take the two together. You still can't find a connect one to one.
Doggy, all day.
Doggy.
Massive stress. Can you imagine?
But imagine say you give.
Imagine this guy's
Imagine say you give doggy, you get one mess.
Do.
Well, you see, I prefer me as a new girl because you make mess.
You should go nurse now.
Definitely, you got
Better
to-
body.
you
No,
got
they
to-
will be saying good. You better 217.
you
You
got to
body.
eat that.
One guy just lose.
If Nigeria
That's
is
the excuse.
But don't be mess. Don't be mess.
Let me mess like air they come outside.
And if they walk outside.
okay, you want to tell me that I don't know difference between air and mess.
No, but like which one be best? Real best.
Air
It will smell.
Mess na air.
Yeah.
Na gas.
Yeah. So that mess, everybody will smell.
Go. Now what
Ah,
I'm
bro.
not talking make get more air.
It go down now.
Mess, make get mess.
But depending on the mess smell.
Make get mess.
Did go down for again? Yes.
One like that.
When you give am doggy, do you know that I get when you say you dey?
Go down.
Depending on the mess, oh,
For again, mess.
if the mess is brutal, oh my god, that's
Wait,
so.
wait.
If the mess is brutal, you get time.
You go run. You go right class. Oh yeah, body was
Ah,
Oh God, no.
I will
but if the mess no
fire on.
destruction,
Yeah, fire on.
Like machine, full force.
animal.
Afro or hip hop, my bro.
Afro represent black.
Straight up, my bro. Straight up, my bro. They're all black, dude. I mean, still get hip hop now. No, baby. What would be your favorite for Afro language?
Starboy.
Steady.
Number one.
Steady.
Starboy.
Oh God. Ay. I don't really feel this. All these baby people.
No, they feel a big time Afro.
2,000 years later.
The guy with his smart.
Man, I love davido. I love good music. Yeah.
My bro, I didn't say davido. I said davido fans.
No, like why you carry davido fans come?
Because guys fight. All those guys fight on the norms.
God, they don't get sense.
Like we got just gather and say about war.
Gas fight. All of those gas.
Oh no, if you do Wizkid.
These who fight.
Go open fees for now.
Says
I mean, it involved me. I know like fight too.
We will beat. I thought you were one of us.
All of us.
You are either with us or
against us, we are fighting against you.
I just
beating now. If you start from now, I'm not saying Wizkid don't be here. Wizkid fan.
So what?
I'm an Afro fan, so all of them.
That one don't concern me. Don't be both of them the Afro people.
Time, man.
Yes, now I don't know.
Yes. So inside this Afro now, we don't need to divide ourselves.
No,
we
give me some guys to do. Now,
No, now see. So you don't know, see, no room for all this kind of peace. There's no room again, my bro. How many times man talk now? You're either with us or against us. Wizkid or davido.
Well, peace guys did now. Peace guys here now.
I see you have chosen violence.
Cook this thing. Cook this thing. It's all love,
Oh
man.
man, hey. That's the round off now. I think we've come to the end of this segment
Yeah.
of today on my YouTube channel. Man, my bro, You are big. So nice having you, man.
I appreciate you.
Straight
Man.
up, straight up.
Thank you for having me on your channel. Whatever shit. It was a nice time.
It was nice having you too, man.
Nice time.
Tolu behind the camera.
Up, man.
Man, straight up. GGNU. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed today's segment. I hope you enjoyed everything. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, my guys, and share. Subscribe and share to others so they can subscribe to you, man. I hope you guys do. Thanks for having us today. Peace.
Big love.